Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to my mathematics class of standard 1. Students, I am going to teach you here in this video about CW exercises. Okay students, and also going to teach you how to write in the CW. CW में कैसे आपको लिखना है वो भी मैं इस वीडियो में सिखाऊंगी. Okay student, so we watch the video carefully and learn it. Okay students, so let's start our exercise in the CW. So students, let's start how to write into CW. चलो सीखते हैं कैसे CW में लिखना है. Okay students, let's take the question number 1. First of all students, you have to write the date when you are writing the CW. जब आप CW लिख रहे हो ना, वो डेट लगानी है बिल्कुल ऐसे at the top of the notebook, right students? बिल्कुल ऐसे कॉर्नर में आपको डेट लगानी है जब आप लिख रहे हो वो दिन की डेट, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? बिल्कुल ऐसे एक बॉक्स में आपकी डेट कवर हो जानी चाहिए. देन राइट डाउन द चैप्टर नेम, चैप्टर 8. यू नो नीड टू राइट क्लास 1 मैथमेटिक्स. ओके, चैप्टर 8 नंबर्स फ्रॉम 21 to 50. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बिल्कुल आपको इस तरह से चैप्टर का नंबर और टाइटल लगाना है. एंड सी इट, मैडम ने कैसे 1 फिंगर गैप ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड के बीच में दी है. मैंने कैसे यहाँ पर एक एक फिंगर का गैप दिया है. सी स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू राइट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. आपको भी बिल्कुल ऐसे गैप रख के लिखना है. एंड यू हैव टू राइट लाइक दिस विथ टचिंग द लाइन्स. यू हैव टू राइट द वर्ड्स. ओके, लाइन को टच करके लिखना है. गेटिंग एवरीवन? होप यू आर गेटिंग. हियर यू हैव टू राइट, दिस इज कॉल्ड ए मार्जिन. मार्जिन में आपको क्या करना है? कोई पुट द क्वेश्चन नंबर्स लिखने हैं, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? सो हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज राइट बिफोर, आफ्टर एंड between numbers. Okay students, so let's solve the question number 1. Here first one is, मतलब कुछ ब्लैंक्स बिफोर में बिफोर नंबर लिखना है जो पहले आता है. देन वी हैव टू राइट समवेयर आफ्टर नंबर एंड समवेयर वी हैव टू राइट बिटवीन नंबर्स, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? So here first one is the blank of before number. So here you can see 4040. तो what should be come before 40? तो students आपको क्या देखना है? You have to see the number at ones place, right? Here 0. So before 0 what should become? Yes, very good. There should be a number 9. And what should become before 4? Yes, very good. There should be number 3. That means 39 comes before 40, right students? Now second one is 43. So again we have to write the after number, right? So after 3 आपको पहले कौन सा नंबर देखना है? You have to see the number at ones place, right students? So after 3 there is 4, right? And after, and copy the same number on tens. Okay, 43. That means after 43 there is 44. Okay students, now let's take the blank about between number. You already know after 21 there is 22, but how can you say there is 22? After 1 there is 2 and before 3 there is 2 and copy the number what is on tens. Okay, that means we have to copy here 2. Now again after 39 what? After 38 what should be there? After 8 there should be 9 and copy the 3 on tens. Okay, so 38 39. Now again turn off between number. After 8 there should be again 9, right? And 1 tens, because we have to copy the same number on tens place. That means 28 29 and 30 30. Now what should be there? After 31 there is 32, right students? We have to write down 32 because after 1 there is 2 and copy 3 at tens place, right students? Now before 45 what is there? Before 45 there is 44. And how can you say the answer is 44? Because before 5 there is 4 and copy 4 at the tens place. Now let's take the last one. Before 38 what should be there? And after 38 what should be there, right students? Before 8 what is there? 7, right students? And we have to copy 3 on tens place. Now after 38, after 8 there is 9 and 3 on tens. So 37, 38 and 39. Getting everyone? Now students, let's take the question number 2. Question number 2 is write the missing numbers. Okay, यहाँ पर हमें ब्लैंक्स में जो नंबर मिसिंग है वो लिखना है. यू हैव टू कॉपी द क्वेश्चन इन क्वेश्चन नंबर, दैट मीन्स सीरियल नंबर इन margins. Okay students, let's take the first question. Here 31, what should be there after 31? Yes, very good, 32. Now 33, 34 is given, so what should be there after 34? 35. Yes, and now 30, after 35 there is 36, right students? You have to see the number at ones place and then copy the next number what is there. You have to copy here 5 and 3 on tens, right students? Now same, after 5 there is 6 and copy 3 on tens. Okay students, now let's take the next one. Here second question is 43, so after 3 there is 4 and copy 4 on tens, so it should be 44. Now after 4 there is 5 and copy 4 on tens, so 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. And what should be next? After 7 there is 48, 8. So after 7 there is 8 and copy 4 on tens, so answer is 48, right students? Let's take the third one. 25, after 5 there is 6 and copy 2 on tens, so 25, 26, 27. Now let's take the, after 7 there should be 8, so 8 on ones, 2 on tens, 28. Now after 8 there is 9, 9 on ones, 2 on tens, so answer is 28, 29 and 30, right students? You have to write like this. आपको लाइन को टच करके लिखना है, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? एंड वन नंबर should be there in one box. Okay students, and put the comma between each and every number. Okay students, now let's take the last one, number 4. You have to copy the question into margin. Now 37, 38, after 38, after 8 there is 9 and 3 on tens, that should be 39. Now after 9 there is 10, so put the 0. 1 goes to carry over, 3 plus 1, 4. So after 39 there is 40, right students? Now after 1 and 4 on tens, so 40, 41 and 42. Here in this way you have to complete the number sequences. Okay students? Now students, we have to go to the new page because there is no enough space on the last page. Okay, हमें न्यू पेज पर जाना है क्योंकि लास्ट पेज पर अब जगह नहीं बची है. सो वी हैव टू राइट ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज. सो ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट फर्स्ट? यस, वेरी गुड. वी हैव टू राइट द फर्स्ट डेट. ओके, व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग यू हैव टू राइट दैट डेट ओनली. आपको वही डेट लगानी है जो जब आप लोग CW लिख रहे हो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट्स टेक द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. कंपेयर द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स यूजिंग, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? लेस देन, ग्रेटर देन और इज इक्वल टू साइंस. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, सो लेट्स टेक द एग्जाम्पल. हियर फर्स्ट वन इज 33 and 43. So which number is greater and which number is less? Obviously 33 is less than 43. आपको क्या देखना है? ये नंबर देखना है. अगर ये दोनों नंबर सेम है तो देन गो टू द टेंस प्लेस. ओके, तो टेंस प्लेस पर कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है वो नंबर बड़ा और जो नंबर छोटा है वो नंबर छोटा. नाउ अगर हमें नंबर ऐसे पता चलता है कि दिस नंबर इज स्मॉल देन दिस वन, तो वी हैव टू राइट डाउन लेस देन दैट मीन्स दिस साइन. ये जो क्लोज पार्ट है ना वो मेंशन करता है लेस और ये जो ओपन पार्ट है ना वो मेंशन करता है ग्रेटर. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, सो ग्रेटर पार्ट शुड बी ऑन greater number. Sorry, open part should be on greater number and closed part is there on small number, right students? Now let's take the second one, 50 and 40, both on ones same 0 0. We have to see the tens place digit. So here 5 and here 4. So 5 is greater. Yes, 5 is bigger than 4. So we have to put again which one? Greater than sign, right? Because 50 is greater and 40 is smaller, right? Less than 50 is greater than 40. In this way you can say that 40 is less than 50. Now 21 and 30. Here is on ones place, here 1 and here 0. So which one is greatest? You have to count that here 10. So 10 is greater. So and 21 is less than 30. So close part to smaller number and open part to the bigger number, right students? Now here you can see 45, 45, both are same. So what we have to put here is equal to, because both numbers are same, right students? Now fifth one is 25 and 38. So हम क्या करेंगे? Again we have to see the number at ones place, here 5 and here 8, okay? And on tens place there here 3 and here 2. तो tens place पर कौन सा number बड़ा है? 38, right? So 38 is greater. So we have to put which sign here? 25 is less than 38. Close part to the 25 and open part to the 38, right students? Now 1 3 13 and 3 0 30. Again students, here we have to put the sign of less than, right students? Because 13 is less than 30. Now 37 and 42. You can see which number is greater? 42. So we have to put the open part at 42 and close part at 37. Now 49 and 28. So which one is less? Obviously 28. So we have to put open part at 49 and close part at 28. Okay students? Now students, again new question we have to write in the margin, but before that you have to leave one line because we are going to write a new question. एक line leave करनी है, then write down the new question. उसके बाद ही एक new question लिखना है. Again in margin write it like that, like this. Question number 4, arrange the given numbers into ascending order. Ascending order, that means you know ना, आपको पता है ना असेंडिंग ऑर्डर का मतलब क्या होता है? यू हैव टू अरेंज द नंबर इनटू द फॉर्म ऑफ स्मॉलेस्ट टू बिगेस्ट. मतलब सबसे छोटा नंबर पहले लिखना है, उसके बाद उससे थोड़ा बड़ा, देन नेक्स्ट एंड देन नेक्स्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो लेट्स टेक द एग्जांपल्स. हियर फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज 33, 44, 24 and 14. What you have to see, which one is the smallest number among all. आपको क्या देखना है? ये चारों में से छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? लेट्स सी. 33 नो, 44 नो, 24 नो, 14, because here on ones place almost same number. So we have to see the tens number here 14, because one is smaller than all other tens digit. ये सबसे छोटा है. So here 14 is smaller among all. Now let's find out the next one again. What is the next? 24, right students? So copy here 24. Now let's take the next one. Here 44 is less than or greater than 33? No, 33 is smaller, less than 44. So first is 33 and then what is remaining? 44, right students? So we have to write here 44. Okay students, now let's take the second example. 21, 30, 30, 38 and 29. Among all, which one is smallest? You can see here 21, 30, 30, 38 and 29. So here 21 is the smallest number, right students? Because here on ones place there is 1 and on tens place there is 2. And among our rest 3 number there is 0, 8 and 9 on ones and 2, 3, 3. Okay, so here 21 and 29. So we have to first write 21. Now next one is 29. After 29 there is 30. And what should be last? 38, because 38 is greatest among all. Right, students? Now let's take the next one. 49, 39, 25, 27. So which one is smallest? 25 or 27? Because here on ones place 9 should be there, and 4 3 on tens place. Okay, so we have to take first 25 and 27. We have to take 25 first, because on ones place there is 5, so it is smaller than 7. Now let's take the 27. Okay, now students, after 27 there should be 49 or 39. Yes, we have to write 39, because 9 same on ones place there is 3 and 4. So 3 is smaller than 4 on tens place. So, okay, so we have to write here 39, 39, and last one is 49, 49. Okay, students. Now let's take the next example. 45, 21, 35 and 29. Okay, students. So among all, which one is the smallest number? Obviously here 21 you can see is the smallest number. So we have to write first here 21, then 29, 35 and 45 remaining. So first among all three, 29 is smallest. Okay, then next number is 35 or 45. Yes, obviously we have to write 35, because there is 5 and 5 both are same, but on tens place 4 and 3. So 3 is smallest, so we have to write down 35 first. And the last one is 45. Right, students? So answer is completed. Now students, again I am going to write on a new page. Here what we have to do first? Very good, same. To put the date. Okay, like this at the top of the page, at the left corner. Okay, in one box you have to write like this the date. Now question number 5 is arrange the given numbers in descending order. Now students, again I am going to write on a new page. So I have put the date like this. You also have to write the date like this at the top of the page and in the left side corner. Okay, write the date like this in one box you have to cover. Okay, now question number 5 is arrange the given numbers in descending order. Right, students? We already learned about ascending order, that means smallest to biggest. Now descending order, that means ulta. We have to do arrange the number in biggest to smallest form. Right, student? That means we have to write first the biggest number, then smallest, and last में सबसे छोटा number. Right, students? Let's take the example so you can understand easily. First one is 30, 40, 50 and 20. Okay, so here 0, 0, 0 on ones place, there is same, there are same. Okay, so we have to see the number at tens place. Here 2, 5, 4 and 3. Which one is greatest? Yes, very good, 5. So we have to write here 50. Okay, 50 goes first. Now let's take the next one. Now 5 से छोटा कौन है? 4. So we have to write here 40. Now next one is 30, 30. And what is remaining? Number 20, 20. Right, students? Now next one is 28, 35, 48 and 21. So again we have to see the digits at ones place and tens place. Here on ones place you can see 1, 8, 5 and 8. Right, students? The smallest is 1 among all. Now let's see the numbers at tens place. 2, 4, 3 and 2. Here we have to take 21 and 28. Because here 1 is smaller than 8. So we have to write down which one is greatest. Sorry students, we are going to write the descending order. So we have to take first the biggest number. So here we are going to take 48 first. Because क्यों लेंगे हम 48 को पहले? Here 8 and here 4 on tens. Here 35. So 3 is less than 4. So 4, 8, 48. And on ones place here 8 and here 5. So 8 is greater than 5. Right students? Now let's take the next one. Obviously 35 is there. Right? Now let's take the next one. So 21 or 28? Yes, here on ones place there is 1 and there is 8. And tens place both are same number, same digits. Right students? So 1 is less than 8. So we have to write here 28 and last is 21. Right students? Complete the answer like this. Now third one is 8, 23, 29 and 44. We have to write first the biggest number. Here you can see 44, 29, 23 and 8. So 44 is greater, right students, among all. And the next one is 29. What should be next? 23. And in last there is 8 remaining. We have to write 8 in last. Okay. Now number 4 is 18, 50, 50, 41 and 27. You can see here 50 and 41. What is the greater number between two? Yes, very good. 50, 50, because on ones place 0 and 1, right? But we have to see the tens place digit also, 4 and 5. Okay, so 5, 0, 50. Okay, let's take the first. Let's take the next one. Here we can take 41 as the second number. Now next one is 27 and in last what is remaining? 18. So we have to write here 18. Okay students. So you have to arrange the numbers into descending order like this. That means biggest to the smallest. Okay. Now let's take the new question. Question number 7. So we have to leave one line. लीव वन लाइन लाइक मी. हियर यू हैव टू, आपको एक लाइन लीव करनी है. ओके, छोड़ देनी है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज राइट द प्रॉपर नंबर्स इन द गिवन ब्लैंक्स. यहाँ पर आपको दी गई ब्लैंक्स में आपको सही नंबर लिखना है. ओके, मतलब कि टेंस के प्लेस पर कौन सा नंबर आएगा और वंस के प्लेस पर कौन सा नंबर आएगा. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू राइट दैट. हियर फर्स्ट वन इज 43. सो ऑन टेंस प्लेस हियर 4, राइट? And on ones place there is 3. So 4, 3, 43. Now let's take the next one, 31. Here on tens place we have to see the first ones and then tens. So on tens place there is 3. First number goes to tens and second number goes to ones. So on ones there is 1. Now let's take the next one, 28. So 28 is equal to 2 on tens and 8 on ones. Right students? So here we have to write 8 on ones. Now 40, 40. So 4 on tens and 0 on ones. Right students? Complete the blanks like this. You have to find out that which digit at ones place and which digit at tens place. Getting students? Okay students, Allah Hafiz and take care. We'll see you in the next period, in the next video. Allah Hafiz.